So here we go, we're going to look at a few different laws that are also involving fractional indices. So with something like this, we've got an expression times a fraction. I would think about it in my head as this being over 1, and I would do the top times the top and then over the bottom and move along. So 3 times 8 is 24. A to the 2/3 times a to the 1/4 is like a to the 2/3 plus 1/4. So you can either do that using a calculator or do it in the long way, but we'll figure that out in our next line. For b, we've got b to the 1/5 times b to the 1/3, so 1/5. Multiplication law says we add them. Then all over the bottom, 5a to the power 5 and 6, b to the 1/2 equals. Now let's make that top thing look a little bit better. 24. 2/3 plus 1/4. I would make a common denominator of 12, and then what I would get is 8/12 plus 3/12, which would give me 11/12. With b, I have 1/5 plus 1/3. The common denominator would be 15. So it would give me 3/15 plus 5/15, which would give me 8/15. And the bottom still hasn't been touched. Moving along. Now when I look at the numbers 24 and 5, first of all I see if they can simplify. But they don't have any common factors, so that's going to stay as 24 over 5. Now, a to the 11th 12ths divided by a to the 5/6 is going to be a to the 11th 12th take 5/6. B, 8/15 take 1/4. 1/2. So you could use your calculator for these fractions, or you could find some common denominators. 11/12 take 5/6. 5/6 could be written as 10/12. So 11 take 10 is 1. Oh, I need a base. A to the 1/12. B, 8/15 take 1 and 2. 8/15 is like 16 on 30, and this would be 15 on 30, which would give me b to the power 1 on 30. Now, don't forget that whole denominator over 5. And there you go.